Exercise 44. A second sample of 60 people were asked the same question about the policy as the participants in the original survey from exercise 43. And this is why exactly I have the exercise 43 on the left as well. If the proportion of people in the second sample who responded neutral was as close as possible to the proportion of people in the original survey who responded neutral, so let's go back to the neutral and see that originally we had 550 out of 1250. Let me use my calculator for that. 550 out of 1250. This is 11 over 25, which is the same as 0.44. So this is 0.44, which is 40, not 8, 44%. So we had a 44% on both surveys who answered in a neutral way. What is the best estimate of the number of people who responded neutral among the 60 people in the second sample? So, since we have 44 out of 100, what's the corresponding proportion when we use 60? 44% of 60, that would have been, let me do operations, 26.4, but since we're talking about people, we should say that it's approximately 26 people out of 60 who responded neutral.